This next construction is going to be a perpendicular line through a point that is not on the given line. So for this construction, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to erase the work that I did in the previous construction. And I'm going to reuse segment AB. So the first thing I'll do is, since I'm constructing a perpendicular line through a point that's not on the line, I'm going to draw a point that is not on this line segment AB. So I'll go ahead and I'll put my point here. Okay. Once you have your point, you're going to put the compass at that point. Compass is at the point, and I'm going to now draw an arc that intersects my line segment AB in two different places. Okay, this will look like a smiley face. So I need to extend so that it's going to be long enough to intersect. Okay, that looks good. Now notice my arc did not have to intersect points A and B. Okay, did not intersect point B, did not intersect point A. I have new intersections where the segment and the arc intersect, and I'm going to go ahead and put points there. So I'll go to my tool and put points at those intersections. Okay. Once I do that, I'm going to open the compass to a setting greater than the midpoint, then halfway across right here, where these points that I created from the intersections are. And I'm going to take my compass, I'm going to move it to one of these new points. And again, I want to make sure that it's more than halfway across. So if I'm not sure, I can just extend it a little bit and make it obvious that it is more than halfway across. Okay, that looks good. Once I do that, I'm going to draw an arc down below. After I draw the arc, without changing the compass setting, I'm now going to place the compass on the other intersection point, not point B, the intersection point between the line segment and the arc that I initially created. And so now I'm going to do another arc. Again, I'm going below. And my two arcs that I created should intersect, and they do. I'm going to create a point at that intersection. And once I have that intersection, I can use a straight edge, and I'll be able to draw a line segment from the initial point that I was given, that I'm drawing a line perpendicular through, and this intersection down here. So I can go ahead there. And so what I have is a line through the point that I was given, not on the line segment, that is perpendicular to the line segment. Please note that this perpendicular line does not bisect the line segment. That's a different construction. All I know about this line is that it is perpendicular to the line segment through the point that I was given that is not on the line segment.